Hi, I'm Deb Smucker. I'm a factory representative for the RV factory, the Luxe fifth wheel, the Elite, the Gold, and the new toy hauler. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the Luxe Gold. The one that we have here is the 41 GMD, which is the mid-den unit. This is the only floor plan that we crossed over from the Elite to the Gold. And so we're going to take that opportunity to also show you some of the differences between the Elite and the Gold that people ask about. So first of all, on the outside we have the new full body paint. So this is one of the first Golds that came back with the new full body paint as a standard. You get to pick your colors. So you can pick your base color and you can pick your accent color to make it yours. And we no longer do any vinyl graphics on our units. So even the word Luxe is painted onto the coach. So it's going to stay looking new. We have 2 coats of clear with a cut and buff on it, just like the other ones. Part of the difference between this and the Elite is that this is a 2-color full body paint and the Elite is a 3-color full body paint with a little more elaborate detail on the graphic looks of it. So that's one of the differences. Some of the things about the Gold also are we have the same leveling system. So the bones of this unit are exactly the same. So we have the 3-inch graphite infused composite walls. We have the equalizer leveling system. We have 8,000 pound axles, H-rated Goodyear tires. We have the disc brakes and we have the 17.5-inch wheels. The Gold comes with the Dexter Torflex independent suspension system, where the Elite comes with the MoreRide IS suspension system, both of them being independent, just different types of suspension systems. That's one of the other differences between the units. They are both wide body. They are both the same height, as the others. In the frame is also the 12-inch steel frame, like we have on the Elite. They are a drop frame. So one of the things you want to notice is in a true drop frame, when you open the big door, you actually have a large pass-through storage. A lot of them that don't use the drop frame will have a floor up here and you'll just have a compartment down here. So you can see ours goes straight across so we can use the slide tray, and so that you have a lot of extra storage on the inside. All units have dual pane windows, frameless windows. We all have power awnings on everything. This particular one has the step aboves, and that's become a very popular feature for most of our clients. And this particular one, the one that we're using now, has the platform step. And this is really nice because this step is wider than than the other steps. And so when you walk out, if you have something in front of you, when you step on this step, you're not going to overstep. So it's a platform step on the top. So now we're inside the mid-den unit. And like I said, this is the one that duplicates the 42MD Elite. The only floor plan that we crossed over. So I want to show you some of the features. First of all, starting off with differences of the units so that you understand the difference between a Gold and an Elite. One of them being this wall. So this wall is a wall board, where the Elite has a soft touch padded wall. One of the biggest features that's different about this unit is that we get the attic storage. Okay, the attic storage is very beneficial, especially for our people that travel a lot, because they can keep a lot of extra product up there. It is high, that's why it's called attic. You can get it, you carry along with you a step stool so you can get into it, but you have a tremendous amount of storage up here, which, guys, is going to give you back your pass-through storage outside. The ladies can keep their stuff inside so that they have easy access to it. So that's a huge feature. The lighting is a little bit different because of the doors that come up. So we have the puck lights going all the way down. We have lights underneath the cabinetry, so we put a tremendous amount of lighting in this coach so that it never feels dark, it never feels closed in. The rest of the layout is much the same as in the 42. You have your split pantry over here, which is a big benefit because by doing a split pantry here, now we have a lot of countertop space beside our stove. This is the 24-inch residential stove that we do a lot. It is an option. It has a regular residential oven, which is huge for a lot of people. If you really like to cook, to bake, you like to have the same type of stove that you have in your home. You have a lot of storage still down here, all the drawers. Actually, all you lost here was one drawer, but you gained a lot of countertop. We still have glass backsplash. We still have the 30-inch convection microwave, just like we have in the others. Residential LG refrigerator. A lot of storage in here. And of course, this runs from our 2,000 watt inverter that's installed in this unit. The inverter goes mostly and directly to the refrigerator and to one outlet beside the television. So when you're going down the road, your refrigerator will actually be run from your battery and your inverter power. You have storage along beside the fireplace. Fireplaces are standard. It's cold here today, so this is very welcome. We have a lot of storage on the side as well down here. You have the same width unit, and you still have your added storage in your slides for your cabinets as well. So this just gives you a lot of storage space on the inside downstairs. You still have a lot of accent lighting underneath your island. We do a lot of practical things like putting outlets on the end of the island. In this unit alone, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got about 12 outlets just in this living area right here. And so that's a big feature. Depending on floor plans, that can vary a little bit, but we try to get you a lot of outlets to make this very functional for you. When you walk back in through here, this is where you walk into the den. All of our doors, as I'm sure you've heard on a lot of our videos, are solid core. So when you hear these doors move, they're very quiet. And you don't see them wobble. You don't see them move a lot. They're very heavy and sturdy. When you come into this section is built as a standard would be built. So we have storage around here. We have the washer and dryer. The dryer and the washer are optional, but installed in this unit. That's where they would go. Or you can make this other storage. We have a jackknife sofa. And we have overheads. See if I, there you go. We have overheads. So this is the way this room would be built as a standard room. The nice thing about what we do is we still do a lot of tailoring to our coaches. And so in this room, if you wanted to, there's a lot of options that you can do. One being that we can do bunks. So we can do 2 bunks. We can do a bunk over the sofa. We can do, I just had one where we left the sofa out altogether. They're putting their own in. So there's a lot of things that you can do in this room. I've turned this into a huge office space. So there's a lot of different things you can do here, minimal charges on it to make this room work especially for you. So if you get a chance, you know, to really look at that, and if you'd like to see what we've done to some of the other ones, you can contact us and we can give you some footage on it, or at least get you some designs that we've done on it. This is our Hutch area. They try to utilize all their space. So we have a nice sized cabinet here for dishes or for storage. And you have this counter space. And we have outlet up here so that you have a space where if you want to set a toaster, if you want to set a coffee maker, something else, it just gives you that little extra storage space that you need. And of course we always have the sink covers to give us a lot of countertop space. These are individually laid floor tiles in the unit. This is actually an elite floor. They chose to have this tile put in, but and no matter what you bought, they would be hand-laid tiles. We never use one-piece linoleum or bow floor. We always have hand-laid tiles in our units. Coming up to the upstairs of the unit, the bathroom is enclosed in the hallway, so it's functional for both people in the den, in the living room, and from the hallway. We have glass backsplash on the back. We have the large shower, all one-piece fiberglass. We don't use any plastic molded two-piece showers. It's all one-piece fiberglass shower that we put in, very residential. We have storage in there, linen storage in there, and the cabinetry, lights and outlets beside the sink. The flooring that you're looking at in the bathroom is the infinity flooring that we do, and it's what's used in boats. You can have that, or you can ask to have it left out, but it is a textured flooring. It doesn't accept moisture. It keeps you from it getting too slick, and it also doesn't stain. So a lot of people choose to have that in their bathrooms just for safety, and for the fact that if you spill makeup, if you spill something in there, you can wipe it up and it'll stay clean. Coming into the front bedroom, the master bedroom, again, we have a king-size bed as always standard. You can downsize to queens if you'd like. From the living room point forward, really much of the stuff is all the same between the Elites and the Golds, except that, like I said, the walls and the ceiling tiles that we use. The rest of it is all kind of built the same. Solid core doors. The drawers that we use are all solid core dovetail drawers. You have your entertainment center with your TV in the front. You have your closet built in the front. All solid, again, solid core doors in here. They do a lot of different things. This particular one does have the dressers in the closet. Most Golds will have storage in the closet, have storage shelves in the closet, or they will be built in for your washer and dryer, all depending on the floor plans that you choose. Because the Luxe Gold is also the unit that we do the smaller floor plans in. So we do 38s and a 35 in the Luxe Gold. We still have large storage under the bed. So there's a lot of things that you can store under there. It's very deep, moves, very easy to open. And that actually summarizes pretty close this unit. Like I said, it's the only one that we do that is a crossover from the Elite. It's the only one that we make in the Elite and the Gold. Bones are all the same, and it's one of our most popular units because of the functionality of that third room. If you have any questions, you know, one of the things that's unique about us is that we are factory direct. You work directly with us. We look forward to talking to you every time you call in. Please call us and talk to us. It's only you and I. So when you get a chance, call us about this unit or about any of our products, and we'll look forward to talking to you. Thank you.